They're continuing to watch? What?
Winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour. Areas affected include western Franklin and western Hampshire counties. When, from 6 a.m. Sunday to noon Eastern Standard Time Monday. Impacts include travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning commute. The heavy wet snow will bring the potential for power outages.
Alright. Now, my other question is why they continued the watch for Northern Worcester and Northwest Middlesex, because that was their area of highest confidence. That was their area of highest confidence. It wasn't even the Berkshires. So, I'm a little confused, but that's one at least.